Thank you so much for your comment and reminding us that this is one of the differences between French from France versus French from Switzerland. So the numbers from 0 to 69 in both Switzerland and France are the same. However, when you reach 70, things start to change a little bit. So in both Switzerland and France, they're counting 67, 68, 69, and then, what's 70? That's when things change. In France, it's 70, which is essentially 60 plus 10. However, in Switzerland, it is actually 70. So let's take an example, okay? So let's take the number 75. In France, they would say 75. So 60 plus 15, that's 75. However, in Switzerland, they just say 75, right? Easy. It's literally how we use it in English. It's almost the same. 80 in French from France is 80, which is essentially 4 times 20. 80 means 4 20s, right? In Switzerland, they have the word 80, which is the word 80 as it's used like how it is in English. So if you want to say 87, for example, how would you say that? In France, they would say 87. In Switzerland, they would say 87, right? So in French, from France, they're literally saying 4 times 20 plus 7, 87, versus 87. Okay, let's move on to 90. 90 in French from France, it's 90. 90. Okay, so it's essentially 4 20s plus 10, 90. How you would say that in Switzerland, it would just simply be 90. 90. Easy. All right. Now let's take an example, okay? I remember when I was working in like retail for in French, I like in Canada, I would also say sorry, I got cut off there, but when I was working customer service, I hated saying the word 99 when I was talking about prices, and I just hated saying it because it's like 99. Like 99 is too much. It's essentially saying 420s plus 10 plus 9, whereas in Switzerland you could just say 99. Right? So that's the difference, the counting. Hope you learned something new today.